In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Skrill to Exness. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use Skrill to deposit or withdraw money within Exness. So Skrill is going to be a popular electronic payment method available in various countries worldwide. So you will be able to deposit with Skrill directly to Exness. To do this, go over to your account dashboard and choose Deposit on the menu at the left side of the screen. When you choose Deposit, the first thing that you have to do is choose the trading account that you would like to top up, alongside the deposit amount. So when you choose Deposit, you will see all of the options, and one of the options there is going to be Skrill. So just make sure that you select that service. And then like I mentioned, you can confirm all of the other details. So the main account, the amount, and how much is going to be deposited. You can check the amount of fees included at the right side of the screen, so look at the terms and be aware of any included fees for this specific transfer, and then review all of the details. If everything looks okay, choose Deposit at the bottom, and usually you will get the option to log in with your Skrill credentials, or you can confirm this transaction by going over to the mobile app. As long as you confirm this transaction on the Skrill web page by signing in with your credentials, or you go over to the mobile app, the deposit action is going to be complete and processing will begin, and you will receive your funds shortly. And like I mentioned, you also have the option to withdraw directly to Skrill. The process is going to be exactly the same, but instead of going over to the deposit page, just choose withdraw. And once again, you will be able to specify the amount on the available funds that you have, choose how you want to verify this, and you will be able to receive your funds within Skrill. So all that you have to do is go over to your account dashboard and choose whichever option you would like to use in that specific situation. The funds will become available shortly after you confirm your details. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Skrill to Exness. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.